It's me, Alegra. Babes, today I thought I would share a makeup subscription box unboxing. This is for the Ipsy box. Now, I have to tell you, beauties, I'm a little bit behind because I wasn't able to get to the post office, and so I just got my Ipsy box. This is probably for July. So I'm sorry guys, but I figure we'll open it up together, see what it's all about. It's a huge box, so I really can't wait to open it. But it was at my post office for the longest time. It looks like someone opened this box. Oh my, that's weird. I think someone opened this at the at the PO box. I don't know guys, it just looked like it was open, but anyhow, I'm not gonna get upset about it, but hopefully there's nothing missing. But this is the Ipsy Stay Golden box. Ooh, I can't wait to try this all out. It says it's everything to make you look golden, highlights, shimmers, all kinds of good stuff. Yes, this is the July Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So I am a little bit behind, quite a bit behind, unfortunately. But anyhow, I figured it would just be fun to share with you guys. Maybe you haven't seen already. I certainly have not seen, even though I've seen you guys posting your videos, but I try not to watch this way. It'll be a surprise when it gets to me. But anywho, oh my gosh, I see some good stuff. Oh my god, there is a lot. They spoil you. Ipsy spoils. Ipsy gives you what you want. Ipsy knows how to make your day. They really do. They really do. They give you some great stuff. So let's see. I'm just gonna reach in for the first thing that comes out. Oh, here is Dr. Eve Ryuth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. That sounds really good. I'm excited to use that. I've been using a lot of vitamin C products lately, so that sounds great. Oh, here's the Glam Bag, so I'll save this for a moment. Oh, yes, guys, they gave more Wander Beauty eye masks. These are so good. These are actually my favorite eye masks, and I just used a pair the other day, and then I didn't have any more, and I was like, oh, I wish I had more. So look at this, guys. I'm so happy they sent them because these are amazing. They definitely brighten your under eyes. They sort of, you know, just take away any wrinkles. You know, it's all very superficial, but who cares? I mean, it's you know, it's the moisturizing agents, and they just plump your skin up, and it makes it look more full. They lighten the dark circles. So there's so much good stuff. I love all my Wander Beauty products. I have a Wander Beauty eyebrow pencil, amazing. It's a universal brow pencil, so good. And then I also have from Wander Beauty, I believe, a mascara. That was so good as well. Oh my gosh, guys, so they sent another shave cream from their refreshments line, which I love. I just actually used yesterday the one that I have, and actually, but I'm running out, so I'm so glad they sent another one. I love this scent. I love their body wash. I love their razor. Maybe they sent another razor. I love their razor. I actually am gonna go back on their site and order more razors because I loved their razor so much, and I used it up. Yeah, the refreshments line is so good. The body wash is so creamy. The scent is very uplifting. It is a citrus based scent, but it's very uplifting. It makes you feel super clean, and I love the packaging. I love everything. It's really my favorite that I reach for every time when I take a shower. And I know a lot of you beauties had told me too that you love it too. So anyway, beauties, look here, they sent a Il Makiage mascara. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Il Makiage products are amazing. I've tried so many products from them because I went to a party they had, and they gave a goodie bag, but I wound up purchasing so much stuff because I loved everything. I spent so much money because I loved, you know, you could buy additional stuff if you wanted, and I bought so much. I bought an eyeshadow palette. I bought so much. I know I love their foundation. I forgot what else I got, but I got a bunch of stuff, and it was all amazing. Actually, I've used up all the foundation. Foundation was really good. I loved it. And you know what? I wanted to get something from the Carly Bible collection with them, but collab with them. But what I wanted to get was sold out. I think I wanted to get her lips. I forgot, but I remember I went and looked and it was sold out. But guys, here is a brush set. So this is called Golden Gem Bronze Cheeky with it. There's a sculpting supermodel sculpt. Who are these from? These are beautiful. Oh, MOD Makeup of the Day Cosmetics, MOTD Cosmetics. These are probably gonna be great because you know what? I'm gonna definitely try these because I have to say all the brushes I've ever tried that Ipsy sent were amazing. I love brushes, so I gotta try this out. These are, oh, look at that. I'm so glad. Wow. What is it? This one is for Supermodel Sculpt. And then here is the cheeky brush. You could say, ooh, I'm gonna try this right now. These look amazing. And then this is a bronzer brush. I gotta try this brush right now, you guys. Ooh, it's great. It feels really nice. Oh, and you can do under your eyes. And then this one you can sculpt with, so that's really nice. I'll put some, and it fits right in my favorite Hoola bronzer since it's so small, but let me go ahead and try that. Oh yeah, it does sculpt you really good. Wow, I like that. That's amazing. And you can use this brush to kind of blend it out and just zhuzh it out. Oh, those are really nice, you guys. I'm gonna put those in my spot with my favorite stuff and put them away with my stash of my favorite stuff. And then, oh, look at this, guys. A wrap that you can wear over your bathing suit, so that's really nice. I can't wait to wear that. And then here, beauties, is the Ipsy Glam Bag. So also such beautiful packaging. Says stay golden. I love this. I'm definitely gonna use this. Oh, and then it has a beautiful starburst with a blue crystal. So let's go ahead and see what's inside here. So first thing that just came out, Nomad. A highlighter probably, I think. I actually love the other Nomad. Did it come in the Ipsy or was it in a different box that I get, a different makeup subscription box? And I loved it. It was really great. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a golden highlight. Oh, I'll put this on my eyes. This would look gorgeous on my eyes. Wow. Or if you have a deeper complexion, that would be gorgeous. Well, because I just like a shimmery, champagne-y, but deeper complexions, a golden highlight looks so beautiful. And then here is, let's see what this is, you guys. Hip Dot, something from Hip Dot. Oh, is that a beautiful little blush from Hip Dot? So cute. And then here, beauties. Ooh, something from Artist Couture. I love Artist Couture. Silky lip oil. Yes, this is good. I would see now. This is like probably $20-something. Oh, that's beautiful. I love Artist Couture. I love Artist Couture because back in the day, I used to, a long time ago, Mac Daddy, who's the creator, owner of Artist Couture, he used to have makeup classes that you could join online, and he would give so many tips. Oh my God, and I loved it. And I learned so much from him. So that's why, you know, when someone teaches you, you're just loyal to them. your heart just belongs to them forever. I learned so much from him. So and plus I love his makeup. I've only tried I've tried the highlighters, the loose highlighters, and I got a lipstick. I loved it. It's so gorgeous. And now I'm going to try the lip oil. Oh, I could put some on right now, right? You're like, girl, let's put some on right now. And he always has those big juicy lips, so he probably would put together a good lip oil. Oh, it has a nice, it tastes like strawberry candy, like something when I was little. Some type of strawberry shortcake, something like that. When you have that strawberry shortcake doll, it feels really good. I'm so happy I got that. And then I love lip oil. You guys, I'm a lip oil addict, I have to be honest. And then here, guys, is a Kat Von D cake pencil. This looks really nice. Rich long wear eyeliner. Oh, let me try this because I do. Of course, I do have eyeliner on now, but I can never have too much. Ooh, this is nice. It feels so, you know what I like when they're really precise. This is super precise. So it really tight lined my eyes good. The other, I have an other eyeliner on, the Urban Decay 24/7, but that one is great for the smudged out look. But then this one tight lined beautifully. So actually they're to go together, make a gorgeous look together, because this is very precise and the other one was just the perfect smudginess, you know. Love this. I gotta put this in a special place because it's so small. I'll probably lose it. But I'll buy a full size of that. That was amazing. And then here is a Briogeo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. Oh, I can't wait to use that. And let's see, there's only one more thing in here, I think. But oh, here is the Pore Speak On First Aid Beauty matte primer. Oh, I can't wait to try this because hello Fab. I hate to be, I'm very oily in the summer, you know, it's very humid here. I don't know if it's because I live on the lake now, but it's very humid. Well, it's fine though, I don't mind whatsoever, but it is humid. So, you know, I want to put on, you know, I like to kind of mattify myself because I'm very oily. I can't wait to try that, is what I'm trying to say. The long story short of it is that's what I'm trying to say, guys. I can't wait to try that Pores Be Gone. We'll try it out. Hopefully we can try it out together, guys. So beauties, that was everything I got in my Ipsy. That's the creator box. So I got the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, and then some creator goodies. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know what you guys think. I know it's kind of old because this box has been out, but let me know what you guys think of what I got in my creator box, because everybody seems to get different stuff. So did you guys get the same stuff in your Glam Bag and your Glam Bag Plus? Let me know down below, and let me know if you've tried any of these, what you think. You know, maybe there was more stuff in here too. Please let me know, because the box was open when I initially came and took it out. It was open, so it wasn't sealed or anything. So I don't know if someone opened it at the post office store. You know what I mean? It's not the post office. It's like a store, you know. So anyway, guys, I'll let you go. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Remember, stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.